Hello and welcome to this logo design course. Now, I have something really fun and special for you here that I think you are really going to like. Now, many of you who are familiar with me will know I am a freelance designer with over 15 years experience in the industry. And for the last 5 years, I have been focusing primarily on logo identity design and branding. To date, I have created a variety of logos and brands for small to large organizations. Now, I have been wanting to do this for some time now, and I'm really excited to finally bring this to you. On this course, we are going to create a logo identity design for a really cool project. We are going to create a logo identity design for a music festival. Now, along the way, I'll be sharing my tried and tested design process I undertake to not only create professional logo designs, but also present to a client, which I have been doing for years as a freelance designer with great results. Now, this is a great opportunity for those of you looking to get some extra work into your portfolio, especially if you're an aspiring designer and looking to learn some tips to present your work to a client after your work is complete. On this course, we'll be working on a fictional design brief, and I will not only be demonstrating and showcasing my design process, but also showcasing my design in response to the brief. So if you're interested in logo design, I would encourage you to follow along, but also take this opportunity to have a go at creating your own logo design as well in response to the brief, which you can share with me on social media where we can all give feedback. I can't wait to see what you can come up with in response to the design brief. Now, as we create a logo design, I will also be demonstrating how to manage the project in a smart way, so everything is clear and organized. So let's take a look at what we'll be creating on this course. So here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and here you are looking at my finished logo and proposal presentation document we are going to build up to. Here you can see a multiple page proposal document which I would normally use to pitch my logo design to a client. Initially, on the course, we are going to look at how to come up with ideas and develop a logo design from scratch, and then look at how we can put a proposal together like this to pitch to a client. This proposal includes a lot of preparation, thinking, strategy, design, and in situ visuals. Along the way, we will be focusing on each part individually and see how it can all come together to finish a complete logo design and proposal document like this. So to help break down the process, I have structured the course into 5 main sections. Section 1, Project Introduction. Section 2, Design Discovery. Section 3, Design Concept. Section 4, Design Artworking, and Section 5, Design Presentation. In the introduction section, I will introduce you to the project we will be working on for this course, discuss the design process we will be undertaking, and the tools we will need in preparation to begin. In Section 2, we will begin the design process with Phase 1, where I will be sharing the techniques I use to discover and come up with ideas to base my logo design on. In Section 3, we will move into Phase 2, and take the ideas discovered in the first phase and look at the techniques we can use to sketch and generate design ideas and visual concepts for our logo design. In Section 4, we will move into Phase 3 and take chosen concepts established in the previous phase and look at how we can professionally artwork our logo designs and bring them to life using creative software tools. And finally, in Section 5, we will take our final logo design artwork and move into Phase 4, where we will look at how to build a logo proposal document to present to a client. So to watch this entire course is absolutely free. You can find the full course playlist in the description of each video and click the links in the free course PDF index that accompanies this course. Though if you wish to follow along and get the full learning experience and use all my design logo project assets I feature on this course and the complete logo client proposal document, you can download the course folder for a small fee. The course folder comes with my complete logo design solution I will be demonstrating on this course, including all my design example files and documents at each step to aid your learning experience. The folder also comes with design resources such as a logo design process checklist, process documents and templates, a project folder structure, color sample charts, and a logo proposal document example, all of which you can not only learn from but use in your own design process. To get the full learning experience and use the resources to help develop your own logo project, I recommend you get the course folder. Download link with instructions is in the description. Now, I also suggest you download the free course PDF index. You can save this to your computer and come back at any point. This is an interactive PDF which has been carefully designed to enhance this course experience. This contains all the relevant video and resource download links with additional featured content for you to explore. So I recommend you download this PDF, and you can find the download link in the description. This PDF has also been designed to make it easy for you to share with fellow students and friends who may also be interested in logo design. Simply send this PDF around and others will be able to enjoy this course. So before you start the course, I would recommend getting the PDF download and checking the What to Do First page. This will set you up ready to start the course. Once you have downloaded the free PDF and completed the to-do list, you will be perfectly set up to start the course. This is going to be a huge adventure, guys. So let's get into it. And we are going to begin with the first video in the course, where we are going to take a look at the design brief and see exactly what we are going to design for. So see you in the first video.